प्रुडेंट मिडियाच्या खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया आयच्यो मुखेल खबरो. मुख्य वेंचणूक आयुक्त SY कुरेशी गोंयांत वेंचणुकेच्या तयारीचो घेतलो नियाळ. खंयच्याच अधिकाऱ्याकडच्यान गैरवेंचणूक प्रकार खपोवन घेवचे नात. कुरेशीची शिटकावणी. रेमोचो मतदारांक उलो. बाबुशाच्या प्रादेशीक आराखडो 2011 प्रकरणात दलाली आणि मुंबईच्या बेकायदेशीर चलन प्रकरणाची करची चौकशी. भाजपची मागणी. काँग्रेसीचे काय फुडारी घुसपल्यात हवाला व्यवहारात. भाजपाचो आरोप. बाबुश म्हणटा ताणे मागिल्ल्यो ताळगांव आणि सांताक्रूज दोन्ही काँग्रेसीचे तिकेटी ताका मेळटल्यो. पणजेचो विचार सोडलो. बाबुश म्हणटा प्रादेशीक आराखड्यावेल्यान दलालीचे आरोप जातात ते राजकीय. गोंय आणि महाराष्ट्रातल्या मिनाच्या ट्रकवाल्या मदीं पेटले. दोगांनी नयबाग पेडणे आडायले एकामेकांचे ट्रक. पेडण्याचे ट्रकवाले केस घेवन पावले पणजे येरादारी खात्या मेरेन. कळणे मायनी वेल्यान कफुजांव. आणि भारत आणि ईस्ट बंगालाचो आदलो मिडफिल्डर आल्वितो दिकुना करता प्रीमियर लीगाच्या फ्रँचायझीत खेळपाचेर विचार. मात इंडियन क्रिकेट लीगा भशेन प्रीमियर लीग बंद पडटले म्हणपाचो आल्वितोक दुबाव. आता खबरो विस्तारान. मुख्य वेंचणूक आयुक्त SY कुरेशीन गोंयांत येवन वेंचणुकेच्या तयारीचो नियाळ घेतलो. कुरेशीन हांगासरले राजकीय पक्ष, वेंचणूक अधिकारी आनी मुख्य सचिवां बरोबरूय तांणी चर्चा केली. दयानंद नार्वेकाराच्या GCA किट कागाळीचो कायद्याचे दृश्टीन अभ्यास चल्ला अशें तांणी सांगलें. खंयच्याच अधिकाऱ्याकडच्यान आयोग वेंचणूक गैरप्रकार खपोवन घेवचे ना अशी शिटकावणी कुरेशीन दिल्या. इतले मजगतीं रेमोन बरे उमेदवार पळोवनूच मत मारचें म्हणून लोकांक उलो मारला.
The range of subjects we reviewed was electoral rolls, polling stations, staff, security, materials, training, expenditure monitoring, complaint monitoring system, and counting arrangements. Political parties made some suggestions, some complaints, some concerns about electoral roll additions and deletions, some complaints and suggestions about the enforcement of model code of conduct. They expressed their concern about money power in Goa and the need for a tight expenditure control. They also expressed concern about paid news, and also there were complaints about interference by a minister. 98 polling stations have been identified as hypersensitive, and adequate security will be deployed to ensure free and fair polls.
Election Commission of India, including one against Mr. Danan Narvekar, they are still awaiting your answer.
What is this complaint? Oh, that is under examination. We are working on it. We are examining the legal issue because this is a cricket board giving to a cricket clubs. So we are still examining the legal position about it.
The administration in Goa is extremely political, and they have, they seem to have defied directives from your office, especially in case of the director of animal husbandry.
Well, he has been suspended.
Last month,
Yes.
again you are.
Oh.
Otherwise, he would not be.
On our orders, yes, but we ordered. So that's what we do. And any other complaint which is under examination.
Resistance from the state administration.
Well, I told you in my opening remarks, we are monitoring the compliance of our orders by the state machinery at every level. We'll keep an eye, and we, of course, will take a strong action because partisanship at no level will be tolerated. Let that be clear to everybody. This is working very well, and one of the things which we did in voter education was to have national icons and state icons. Our first national icon was former President Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Mahendra Singh Dhoni. We have used local icons, can be even more effective because they have local influence. In Bihar, particularly, Sharda Sinha is a folk singer and she wrote songs addressing women, and Bihar created history where women outnumbered men in turning out to vote.
I'm taking this as a personal responsibility, and whatever I can do, I will be very happy to do, to try and promote, not only the act of voting itself, among whoever I can in Goa, but also the mental act of voting ethically and in a discerning way.
प्रादेशिक आराखडा 2011 प्रकरणात बाबुशाचेर कोट्यांनी रुपयांची दलाली घेतली म्हणून जातात त्या आरोपांची चौकशी करची. बाबुशाच्या मुंबईच्या बेकायदेशीर चलन प्रकरणाचो हाचेकडे संबंध आसूं येता असो दुबाव भाजपाचो म्हणयारो विष्णू सुर्या वाघान उक्तायला. काँग्रेसीचे कांय फुडारी हवाला व्यवहारात घुसपल्यात असो आरोपूय भाजपान केला. सुदीन सरकारांतल्यान भायर सरतकीच भाजपा मोगो युतीची प्रक्रिया फुडें वतली अशें विष्णून म्हळां.
या सगळ्यांक मिळून जवळ जवळ 26 कोटींची दलाली ग्राफ्ट ह्या संपूर्ण प्रकरणाची चौकशी जावपा जाय. ह्याच बाबुशाक मुंबईच्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळार बेहिशेबी कॅश व्हरतना पकडलेलो. ह्या प्रकरणातली दलालीचीच रक्कम जी आतां मेरेन उघडकीस आयल्या ती जर 26 कोटीची आसत जाल्यार हेतूंतलो प्रत्यक्ष घोटाळो जो आसा तो कितले तरी पटींनी चड जावपाचो संभव आसा. ह्या संपूर्ण प्रकरणाची चौकशी जावपा जाय. एलानाचे व्हडे आतां MG खंय ताणून व्हरता तें पळयता आमी. अशी एकूच मुद्दो आसा, कंटेन्शियस मुद्दो. तो म्हणजे MG पार्टीक आमी सांगिल्लें आसा की एलायन्स मटेरियलायज केन्ना जातलें. द मोमेंट MGP कम्स आउट ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट, अदरवायज नॉट. जेन्ना वेंचणूक जाली आनी संख्येन काँग्रेस अग्रेसर जाली तेन्ना जर काँग्रेसीक बहुजन समाजाचो पुळको आशिल्लो जाल्यार रवी नायकाक काँग्रेसीन CM कित्याक केलो ना. काँग्रेसची प्रदीर्घ राजवट गोंयांत आसा. ह्या काळान बहुजन समाजातले कितले मुख्यमंत्री काँग्रेसीन दिले हेजें उत्तर शांताराम नायकान दिवपा जाय.
Third thing we brought to attention is strict monitoring. We requested them strict monitoring of distribution of money power during election, and more so today. The things are very clear about Babu's involvement, and like that I think every candidate which Congress is going to field, one and even those who are not ministers, are totally involved in these hawala transactions, in these money rackets through mining and everything. So we told the election commission we expect blatant use of money power in this election. That please do monitor in a very strict matter.
आपणे मागिल्ल्यो ताळगांव आनी सांताक्रूज दोन्ही काँग्रेसीच्यो तिकेटी आपल्याक मेळटल्यो अशें बाबूश मनसरात म्हणटा. मात पणजे उबो रावपाचो विचार ताणें सोडून दिला. यतीन पारेख रावल्यार ताका तो तेंको दितलो. प्रादेशीक आराखडो 2011 प्रकरणात बाबुशाक 24 कोटी दिल्ले अश्यो खबऱ्यो पातळ्यात. ताचेर विचारल्यार बाबूश म्हणटा हें सगळें राजकारण. ताणें हाचे पयलींच लेखी जाप दिल्या.
आमच्या वांगडा बाबूश मनसरात सद्या आमी तेंचे कडल्यान रिसेंट पॉलिटिकल डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर विचारून घेवया. बाबूश, सांताक्रूजच्या टिकेटीचें कितें?
I told you I have applied. I am confident I should get a Santa Cruz ticket.
Jennifer from Taligaon?
No, that we will see. Ultimately, we have both applied from Taligaon as well as Santa Cruz and Taligaon. So both of us. So it depends with on the High Command whom they allot which ticket.
जर तुमकां सांताक्रूजची मेळना जाल्यार will you quit Congress?
No, there is no question of why are we talking about hypothetically now what is going to happen. I am very confident. As I told you, I am 10 years in politics now. I have learned to have patience. So patience, in fact, finally is rewarded.
पणजेच्या टिकेटीचें कितें? पणजे यतीन पारेख दवरला अशें आयकता. What's the news?
See, as earlier I had said that Somnath Dwarkar was basically my candidate. Now it is for the Congress High Command to decide. Even if it is Yatin Parekh, my full support will be there. So he is my mayor. So I have got no issue over that. but is ultimately the High Command will take a call on that.
But people say that you have done setting with Parrikar and all. People speak like that.
See, you cannot see. I don't think you can take people for a ride. That is first and foremost. And it is totally wrong to say that I have done any setting with Mr. Manohar Parrikar. I have not even met Mr. Parrikar since the last assembly session. So it is totally it is misgiving by some people just trying to create some news saying that I have done this thing. I know who basically are the people who are creating this. It's not an issue.
If party tells you to contest against Parrikar, will you?
No, I have told you, I have already opted out from this. There's no question of anyone telling me where I should contest.
Recent news regarding land deals and all, are they politically motivated?
See, everything I feel is a politically motivated. Now it's in the right time when the ticket issue is coming. That is the time. I think I will answer this on the right forum. My things are already in process.
Is someone who is trying to damage your plans through these news reports?
See, opposition is always there, no? Opposition as people are the people to create hurdles in your ways. Ultimately, how you cross these hurdles, that is important. I am very confident about myself. That is very important. You must have self confidence, which I always have, and I don't see any problem about this issue.
And what is your side of story in this 2006 deal?
No. It is all humbug. Whatever it is come on the press, and whatever it is that notice, whatever is been this thing. I have already written to the appropriate authorities, and we will get this thing from there.
And for Panji ticket, you have suggested Yatin Parekh's name.
So I have not suggested. I had only said that if Mr. Zuwarkar is a Congress candidate, I will support him. Now there are some rumors, and widely those rumors may come through. So Yatin Parekh may be the Congress candidate. Yeah, thank you so much.
ह्या आशिल्ले बाबूश मोन्सरात त्यांचे कडल्यान खुबश्यो गजाली कळ्यो. पणजेच्यान निवडणूक लडोवपाचो विचार तेणी मनांतल्यान काडून उडयलो आनी ह्यो ज्यो तेजे ह्या दिसांनी ज्यो पेपरांनी तेंच्यो न्यूज येता 2006 लँड डील्सा बाबतींत त्यो पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड आहा अशें ते म्हणटात. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट सुशांत पळा वांगडा हांव लौकीक शिलकार, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.